The Tribune hosted the Sky Fiesta today, and I don't have words to explain the kind of curiosity, the creativity, and the kind of confidence which I have seen in the children. The parents were super happy to see their children perform. They have covered all the topics which you can see from the back, right from robotics to nature to plant life to the solar system, everything they did. And my little ones of class 1 were as confident as the class 6th grade children, and it was a wonderful experience for not only for us as teachers at the Tribune School, but also for the children, because their growth has been phenomenal. Now we will try to make sure, for one thing, that they do not have any fear of science and maths later on in life, and they score well, they have the spirit of inquiry, and they perform excellently. Rule away from rote learning and ask the question why. दिक्कतें आई हमें, कुछ मॉडल्स हमारे उनको पुटअप करने में बार बार करना पड़ा बच्चों को. कुछ मॉडल्स हमारे SCERT सेलेक्टेड भी हैं मॉडल्स, वो भी हमने डिस्प्ले किए. और हमारे बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टेड ट्रस्टी सर गुरबचन जगत सर आए थे इनॉग्रेट करने के लिए इसको. हमारी चीफ एडिटर ट्रिब्यून की ज्योति मल्होत्रा मैम वो आए थे. हमारे SMC मेंबर्स अनुराधा मैम, दमन मैम, दे ऑल केम. और सभी को एक चीज़ से तो बहुत हैरानी हुई कि छोटे बच्चे इतने कॉन्फिडेंट कैसे हो सकते हैं. एंड दे डिड इट विद अ लॉट ऑफ फन एंड एन्जॉयमेंट. उनको खुशी बहुत हो रही थी अपने पेरेंट्स के सामने परफॉर्म करके, बता के कि हमें ये पता है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट मैटर्स मोस्ट टू मी एज अ प्रिंसिपल.
It was organized for a particular purpose, to inculcate the curiosity for science in the students. Actually, the students they run away from science and maths. So it was our we wanted the students to learn something by doing. Science is all about learning by doing. So it was we earlier we used to do experiments in the lab only. We used to take them to the lab. Now we are in the open. So, and one more thing, we have introduced robotics to the students this year. So this was also it was my dream project to introduce robotics in the school. So the students learned about different scientists. The little ones, they are not introduced to the science by this exercise, by this fair. They are being introduced to the science, to the animal world, to the plant world. So what is photosynthesis? They learned about it, how the seed germinates into a plant. And these live experiments, they were really it was creating curiosity among the students. So I am fully satisfied with this type of work. सर हमने स्टार्ट किया था नवंबर के मिड जैसे में स्टार्ट किया था, और हाफ डे वी वर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द साइंस फेयर एंड हाफ डे देयर वर स्टडीज़. सो और बच्चों को पहले हमने स्क्रिप्ट बनाई और उसके बाद हमने बच्चों को लर्न करवाना शुरू किया. और फिर उसके बाद बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए. फिर बच्चों को मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट चैलेंज वाज कि उनको दोबारा वो एक बारी लर्न कर लेते हैं तो वो फिर दोबारा से उस चीज़ को दोबारा से उनको चेंज करना वाज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. सो फिर दोबारा से उनको दोबारा बहुत सारी चेंजेस आई. पर हमारे बच्चे इतने ग्रास्पिंग हैं, आई वुड से, कि इतना उनका साइंटिफिक एप्टीट्यूड इतना हमने मुझे लगता है रिफ़ाइन कर दिया है कि दे वर अडैप्टिंग लाइक दिस. तो जितने भी चेंजेस हमने उनको करवाए, स्पेशली इन क्लास 1 and 2, सो दे वर अडैप्टिंग इट वेरी क्विकली. सो और क्लास 3 में जो हमने प्लानिटोरियम बनाया है, चिल्ड्रन वर वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं सन बनाऊँ, मैं प्लैनेट बनाऊँ. तो उनको सब अब पता है. मतलब बिफोर दे लर्न इन द बुक, दे नो एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम अबाउट द सोलर सिस्टम. एंड दे द साइंटिस्ट, ये जो साइंटिस्ट हमने बनाए थे, तो छोटे छोटे बच्चों को पता भी नहीं है कि साइंटिस्ट होते कौन है, एंड वी मेड देम साइंटिस्ट. सो ये एक मुझे लगता है कि एक उनके मन में क्यूरियोसिटी होगी कि हाउ द साइंटिस्ट वर्क, एंड मैनी ऑफ देम माइट बी, यू विल सी देम in the future scientist list.
Science Fiesta, which we hosted for the first time. It was a live experience for the students to learn about science, and maybe we'll have every year we'll plan another science fair for the students, because it is a learning experience and this thing will remain with them throughout their life.
Our experiment is CO2 fire killer. It is a experiment in which the carbon dioxide is made by our home uses, like vinegar and baking soda that we use in our home, and the carbon dioxide is used to extinguish the fire. I enjoyed a lot and gained a lot of knowledge because I have learned a lot about experiment of my friends and my experiment also. For 2 months we are practicing our experiment. Our model is potassium first we have to dissolve some potassium permanganate in water, then it will react a purple solution in this. Then we will add some citric acid, which is lemon, in the potassium permanganate solution. Then you can see the magic. The color starts disappearing slowly. Why this happens? This is because the reduction and oxidation happens together, and this reaction is called a redox reaction. I feel very nice.
So my experience was like, my husband is from this school only, so we came here to look like what students are doing and what are their goals and what are their achievements. Like I have seen like from 2nd standard to 4th or 5th standard students are upcoming with these science projects, which are upcoming our future, brighten our students, like they are upcoming scientifically energetic. They are explaining how AI is functioning, right? How AI functioning, like our students are getting more advanced, like AI projects are there where screening is there, how students are getting more advanced. Our future generation is getting more advanced in that. She is in 2nd class, so she also gain a lot, like what is this, so she also know ki what are the familiar things which we are generating in our earth, right? So how to don't waste the products, how not to spread the things on the earth and all that, how to save our earth, how to save the plants, how to save the birds in that. So she is the future, so being our futures, so we let them know what are the things we have to understand for ourselves.
My 2 kids are studying here, daughter in the 1st class and son in 5th. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी एफर्ट है, टीचर्स का एफर्ट बहुत अच्छा है, साइंस टीचर का बहुत अच्छा है, जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं बहुत क्लैरिटी है उनमें, दे आर प्रेजेंटिंग इट वेल. इट वाज ए रियली क्वाइट एन एक्सपीरियंस, बहुत अच्छा लगा. एब्सोल्युटली कंटिन्यूटी में हो, थोड़े थोड़े टाइम के बाद हो, बच्चे साइंस के साथ जुड़ें, साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट हो, एक अच्छी नॉलेज हो, अच्छी सोच हो, बहुत ज़रूरी है. मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा था, मैंने पहली बार कुछ इस तरह का देखा था, तो एक्सपीरियंस रियली मेस्मराइजिंग, बहुत अच्छा.